Volcanoes are not just mountains, they are powerful forces beneath the earth. They release fire, toxic gases, and ash that can destroy cities in hours. Welcome to Earth's most dangerous volcanoes. Krakatoa's 1883 eruption was one of the loudest and deadliest in recorded history. Tsunamis and pyroclastic flows destroyed entire coastal communities, killing tens of thousands. Today, Krakatoa remains active, a powerful reminder that the sea and land are never completely safe, and that human life is fragile in the face of nature's might. Mount Etna is Europe's most active volcano, erupting multiple times each year. Ash clouds darken the sky, disrupt air travel, and threaten towns nearby. Despite constant eruptions, people continue to live and farm near Etna, drawn by fertile soil and the beauty of the land. Etna reminds us that humans often coexist with danger, balancing daily life with the unpredictable rhythms of nature. Mount Fuji is iconic for its beauty, yet it is an active volcano. Millions live around it, including the bustling metropolis of Tokyo. Scientists warn that a future eruption could disrupt transportation, air quality, and daily life across Japan, proving that even seemingly calm giants hold immense power beneath the surface. Mount Merope, also known as the Mountain of Fire, erupts frequently, sending deadly clouds of hot gas, ash, and lava down its slopes. Thousands of people live in its fertile surroundings, risking their lives daily. Villages are rebuilt after each eruption, showcasing human resilience. Mount St. Helens erupted violently in 1980, leveling forests and reshaping the landscape. Ash spread across multiple states, causing widespread disruption. Its eruption reminds us that even in developed countries, volcanoes remain unpredictable and deadly forces of nature. Tambora erupted in 1815, causing the deadliest volcanic eruption in recorded history. Tens of thousands died locally, and the year without a summer followed, with global temperatures dropping and crops failing. Tambora demonstrates the far-reaching effects a volcano can have on the entire planet. Mount Vesuvius is not just a volcano, it is a sleeping giant that has shaped human history. In 79 abruptly, bearing the of Pompeii under meters of ash and molten lava within hours. Today, more than 3 million people live in its shadow, going about their daily lives unaware of the silent threat above them. Popocatépetl towers near one of the largest cities on Earth. Frequent eruptions send ash and gas into the air, threatening millions. The people living nearby are constantly reminded of nature's unpredictable wrath and must always be prepared for sudden disaster. Yeloia super, capable of eruptions, are beyond normal volcanic activity. A massive eruption could alter global climate, endanger millions, and leave a lasting mark on planet. Scientists monitor Yellowstone constantly, studying subtle movements and pressure changes, but its true power remains largely a mystery. Living near a supervolcano is a reminder of both human curiosity and humility. If you enjoy powerful documentaries like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. New stories, new discoveries every week.